If tonight turns out to be lailatul qadr and I give away $100 in charity, it would be as if I gave away $1 million in charity. Cent. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحان الله سبحان الله سبحان الله داود 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 wake up Dawood. So it was all just a dream? What was just a dream? I was doing so many acts of worship that, like praying, reciting, doing dhikr and giving charity. It might be shaitan trying to keep you away from doing all that ibadah in real life and get great rewards. Allah says in the Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. Tonight could be Laylatul Qadr, and doing acts of worship in Laylatul Qadr is better than doing acts of worship in 1,000 months. I'll go do more ibadah than that. Today is Laylatul Qadr. Today could be Laylatul Qadr, so I should do more ibadah. Dawood, 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 Dawood. And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, I came out to inform you about the night of Qadr, but such and such were quarreling, Laylatul Qadr, Laylatul Qadr, Laylatul Qadr. Do